What is up, you guys? Today is Sunday, and not much else going on this weekend. Like I said, I'm pretty lazy, so I'm not really doing much. Since I don't have anything to talk about right now, I thought I'd do a little behind the scenes about what I do on Sunday afternoons. Wish it was Saturday. So it's nothing exciting, trust me. But I always at the end of the videos I have the little things that say like a year ago or whatever, like these. So on Sundays I always make 7 of them, so I have like a fresh batch of them for the week ahead. So I go through all my old videos from a year ago and screenshot some parts of it, like a part of it, and then put it right there in the 1 year ago part of it, and then just save that and then get it to go into all the rest of my videos for this week. So that was behind the scenes of Ohiocolts. Nothing exciting, but it's how it goes. How you guys doing? So I'm going to bed now, so hope you all had a great weekend. And only 3 weeks. 3 weeks, well, 4 weeks, I guess. 3 weeks plus exam week, which is 3 days. And then that's the end of junior high school, so this goes by a lot quicker. Like elementary school, it feels like you're gonna be there forever, but like junior high school, middle school, whatever, it's pretty quick. It's not that bad. So that's all, and see you next time, and just look forward to the end of May, because that's when I get out of school and stuff. So bye. I woke up because my dumb alarm, it's got a mind of its own. Sometimes it'll ring and sometimes it won't, but I don't want it to. So it goes off at 7, 8, and 9.